Everyone uses apps. Everyone orders food online. But the moment someone says API, suddenly people panic like it's advanced rocket science. So let's kill the fear. Imagine you're hungry. You open Swiggy. That app screen you're looking at, that's the front end. You scroll, you see menus, you tap on biryani at 2 a.m. like a responsible adult. But here's the question. Does Swiggy itself go into the kitchen and cook your food? No. When you tap Order Now, the app writes a small message. Not food, not magic, just a message. That message is the API request. Think of the order slip as an API. It clearly says, I want this item from this restaurant, deliver it to this address. Nothing more, nothing less. Now this order slip travels to the restaurant. That restaurant is the server. The server doesn't care how pretty the app looks. It doesn't care about colors or buttons. It only cares about the order details. The server now checks the ingredient store. That's the database. Is biryani available? Is the restaurant open? Is this user allowed to order? All the boring but important stuff happens here. Once everything is ready, the food is cooked, packed, and handed over. Now enters the delivery rider. That rider is the response. The response carries your food, order status, estimated delivery time, and delivers it back to the app. Your app doesn't ask how the food was cooked. It doesn't ask where the rice came from. It just shows you order confirmed. That's the beauty of an API. The app and the server never talk directly. They only communicate through these order slips. Front-end talks to API, API talks to backend, backend talks to database, response comes back. Clean, simple, organized. And this is exactly how every app works. Instagram, Amazon, Netflix, your banking app. Different industries, same pattern. So next time someone says APIs are complicated, just remember it's not complicated, it's just ordering food, but for computers. If this finally made sense, you're already thinking like a developer.